How to activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. So, if you really want to know that you can activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone or not, then the answer is yes. You can easily activate two WhatsApp business accounts in one phone. So, first thing first, make sure you install WhatsApp business application on your device. If you haven't yet, open Play Store and then at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and you need to search for WhatsApp business. The applications look like this. You just have to tap on install button and install WhatsApp business application on your device. Then you can tap on open and you can activate one account in that WhatsApp business applications. So in order to activate another WhatsApp business account as well in one phone only, you can easily use the dual messenger feature, or you can make the clone app for this WhatsApp business as well. For that, you can open settings on your device. Then, depending upon your device, the clone applications or the dual messenger features might have different name. But on my device, we can say it clone apps. So on the search bar, search for clone. Then you can see the option of app cloner. Just open it. And here you will find the list of different kinds of apps available on your device. And here, as you can see, the app cloner has been turned off for WhatsApp business. So let's open it. And here is create clone or create app clone option. So you simply need to toggle on the button. Once you toggle on the button, the two applications will appear on the screen, one with the original and one with another clone app of WhatsApp business applications. And on the clone app you can easily activate another WhatsApp account as well, and this will help us to activate two WhatsApp account in one Android phone. So you can easily follow this step on your device as well. So
I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.